Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. My name is Sharina for all of my new subscribers, and today we're going to be talking DTF transfers for t-shirts. DTF transfers are the easiest way to make shirts and the easiest way to start a t-shirt business. So whether you want to start a t-shirt business or if you want to do it as a hobby, it is the most simplest and efficient way to make t-shirts. You don't need any fancy printers, any special papers. You won't need vinyl or vinyl cutters. So what exactly is DTF? Let's get into the video. Now, I didn't want to do a whole lot of talking in this video, but I feel like this is very important information that you should know before starting your t-shirt business. You need to decide whether it is actually a t-shirt business or a hobby, and there are three things that are very important that I have to tell you. One, if you don't have any stage presence, if you lack confidence, if you don't have any social media presence, if you don't know how to market, or if you will be scared to market, if you are extremely shy, if you are afraid to be in front of the camera, then maybe making t-shirts is a hobby, because you need all of those things in order to have a business. You have to be confident in yourself and in your products, and most importantly, you must know how to market and be able to speak to people. Secondly, I'm not going to sit here and tell you, oh, you're going to make $5,000 in 1 month, $20,000 in 1 month, because I don't know. There will be a lot of people that will tell you that just to get views, to run their videos up and all that. I'm not going to sell you fake hopes and dreams. What you make is up to you. If you make $5,000, it's because you market yourself on social media, you got out there and you sold all your shirts or whatever have you. So I'm not going to tell you that you're going to make this much amount in a month, because I don't know and you don't know either going into it. So what you make will be up to you. Third, again, you won't need any special printers or paper. You don't need any vinyl or a vinyl cutter. But what you price your shirts at, again, is up to you on how much you sell your shirts for in order to make a profit. So if you bought a $3 shirt and you want to take the cost out of your DTF transfers and you want to make back your money from what you put into your shirt plus more. You don't want to put $6 into a shirt and then go sell the shirt for $6, because now you got nowhere. You want to make your money back and then some, but charge what you think you are worth. Also, be aware there are going to be tons of websites on social media saying, you know, hey, we have these t-shirt transfers available for you to make shirts. Just like you saw that ad, other people saw that ad. So now it's going to be thousands of people selling the same shirt. What you want to do is separate yourself from the competition. Always separate yourself from the competition if you're going to be doing t-shirts as a business. So those are my 3 tips. Now back to DTF and what exactly DTF is. DTF means direct to film. You will basically send your t-shirt design or your layout to Ninja Transfers. They will then print it and ship the image back to you. From there, all you have to do is heat press it onto your shirt. This is their website from a mobile device. You want to click menu, then you want to click DTF transfers at the top. Next, you want to click DTF gang sheet on line builder. Once you scroll down, you have a different variety of options on how long you want your gang sheet. You have a 2 foot, 5 foot, 7 foot, 10 foot, 20 foot. Today, I'm going to be building a 10 foot long gang sheet. Once you choose your size, then you can click that blue button, build your own gang sheet. This is your canvas and where you upload your designs. This is a 22-inch width by 10 foot gang sheet, and you can fill this with as many t-shirt designs as possible. I like to use chest size designs, which are about 11 inches wide by 5 inches. You want to click the blue cloud down at the bottom to upload your designs, and then you can click upload image. Once you have chosen the image or the design that you want to use, it will put it onto your canvas. They have ruler settings at the top and the bottom if you need help with sizing, but 4 dots are going to be around your image. You can either drag it out to make it bigger or drag it in to make it smaller. Again, I'm using chest size designs because I can get more onto my gang sheet, which equals more shirt, which equals more profit. This gang sheet here has 44 t-shirt transfers on it. So that's 44 shirts that I can make from my gang sheet. Then you can go through the whole transaction process. This 10-foot gang sheet is $120, but it's free shipping. Also, they provide a 20% off discount for your first time order, which is a plus. So now let's get into the technicalities and everything that you see on the sides. So, where do you buy your t-shirts? Here are a few online websites where you can go to buy your t-shirts wholesale. These sites also provide free shipping over a certain amount. They also have a wide variety of different brands that you can try out as well. Or you can simply go to your local Hobby Lobby. They sell the brand Gildan Heavy Cotton. I like those shirts, and those shirts run you about $3, and that's with tax included. So, how will you make your profit selling shirts? Again, I just showed you where you get your t-shirts from. So, we're going to be doing this example simply off the gang sheet that I created. It may be different from you because I don't know how many transfers you're going to be able to fit onto your gang sheet. So, let's just say that I got my shirt from Hobby Lobby. The shirt is $3. That's with tax included. I have 44 t-shirt transfers on my gang sheet to make 44 shirts. If I do 120 divided by 44, that's a little less than $3 per t-shirt transfer. So I'm gonna sell my shirt for $15. I got a $3 shirt, $3 transfer, and I'm gonna sell it for $15. I've made my money back and a little bit extra. Okay, again, I have 44 t-shirt transfers. So if I do 44 shirts at $15, I've made $660. Now, for starting out, I don't suggest selling these shirts online. I suggest making a shirt, selling these shirts to your coworkers, to your friends, to your family, at your local flea market. I suggest starting out selling these first 44 shirts where you don't have to pay shipping and it's gonna be tax-free, and then you will get the feel whether or not you want this to be an actual business or a hobby. So again, we have 44 shirts at $15. I've made $660. From that $660, I'm gonna take away $120 because the gang sheet was $120, and I'm gonna put that back into my bank account. I'm also gonna take away $132 because 44 shirts at $3 is $132. So I'm gonna put that back into my bank account. Now I have made a profit of $408. Is it really a profit? Yes. Is it really a profit? No, if you're going to actually start a business. If you're going to actually start a business, you have to do the same process over again. You can take that $408 profit, start you a website, start you an Etsy shop, buy other supplies like shipping, packaging, bags, business cards, things of that nature. But you can start your t-shirt business not off your own money, but off your profit, if that makes sense. So again, guys, your first 44 shirts and starting your t-shirt business should not be shipped. You want tax-free shirts. You want to sell it to people you know at your local flea market so you can profit all there is to profit. Once you've made your profit of $408, then you can build a website. Then you can do the whole shipping thing. Then you can buy all the other supplies you will need to start your t-shirt business. And again, I'm using my gang sheet as an example because I have 44 transfers on my gang sheet. So in all, I have 44 shirts that I can sell. You may not have that many on your gang sheet. You may have 30, depending on the size of your t-shirt designs. Like I say, I like to use chest size t-shirt designs because I can feel more on there than a full size t-shirt design. Again, this is also going to help you decide whether or not this is actually going to be a t-shirt business or a hobby, whether or not you're going to be able to sell those 44 shirts. But if this is something that you want to take serious as a business, use the profit you made to start that t-shirt business. Buy website builder, buy bags for shipping, buy all your supplies out of that profit and do the exact same thing over again. All right, now for the fun part, the actual shirt making and viewing the actual gang sheet. Again, this is from Ninja Transfers. It's a 10-foot gang sheet. They provide you with parchment paper for your heat press process. They also provide you with directions that are step by step on the time for your heat press, how long, all that good stuff. So again, this is my gang sheet. This is a 10-foot roll gang sheet. And it's huge, so you won't be able to see everything on camera, so I laid it out on my kitchen floor so you can see how big this is. Again, I have 44 transfers on here to make 44 shirts. Here's a little close-up. I have a Grinch Christmas design and a holiday design, 'tis the season. And then I have this cute little Chick-fil-A design. It says this girl runs on Jesus and Chick-fil-A. And I also have t-shirt tags. This is my business logo for my t-shirts. So now I'm gonna cut out my designs. I'm going to lay them out so you can see. I have my t-shirt tag, and then I'm going to lay out my 3 designs, and we're going to make 3 t-shirts, and then I'm going to show you what a t-shirt tag is. It's my business logo, the Custom Creation Station. So when making your shirts, you want to preheat your shirts to get the moisture out for about 10 seconds. Take your t-shirt design and place it in the center of your shirt. Use the parchment paper that Ninja Transfers provided for you to cover your image to press, and you want to press it at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 seconds. After you have pressed your shirt for 15 seconds, you want to sit it to the side so that it can cool before you peel away the film. This is a cold peel. The image should be completely cool to the touch before you peel away the film. And we're going to go through the same process for our other 2 shirts. Same process. You want to press for 310 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 seconds. Sit the shirt to the side to cool before you peel away the film. And I'm going to complete the same steps for the other shirts as well, sitting them to the side to cool before I peel away the film after I heat press my design. Again, once your shirts are cool to the touch, you can now remove the film and it should peel right off. If it doesn't peel right off, just press your shirt again for another 5 to 10 seconds, let it cool, and it should peel. So on this gray shirt, I'm going to show you exactly what that really small design was that I said was a business t-shirt tag. All you have to do is remove the tag that came with the shirt, and then you put your business logo in the place of it. So this is a DTF transfer as well, and I'm just going to use my mini heat press. Well, it's not even a mini heat press, but it's like a mini heat press. But yeah, I'm going to use that to press that down for about 15 seconds, and then let that cool, and then remove the film on that. So it's just like marketing. If you want to start a t-shirt business, you can remove the tags and put your business logo in place of that tag. You know, just a little professionalism. See how that looks? It looks great. and we are almost done. Once you peel the film from your shirts, you want to press your shirts for another 10 seconds at 310 degrees Fahrenheit. Cover your shirts with parchment paper, and this will take the shine away from the shirt, and it just makes the design fall into the fabric. It makes the design so smooth you can hardly feel that it's there. It also gives it that extra security so that you know that it's actually on the shirt and it's not gonna wash away. These DTF transfers are super durable. I mean, they can withstand many of washes, so you don't have to worry about that. Now that our shirts are complete, look how vibrant these colors are. Look how bright and vivid the design is. I highly recommend Ninja Transfers if you're gonna get into DTF and starting your own t-shirt business. It's less time consuming and you spend less money going in just by sending off your design and them printing it for you. Be sure to go check out my description box because I'm going to link Ninja Transfers website down in my description box. Again, I'm going to link Ninja Transfers website down in my description box. Also, if you can, I will greatly appreciate it if you go follow some of my other socials. And if you need any help with anything, be sure to comment. Also, if you want to see more content like this, also let me know down in the comments. And that's it, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.